Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add associate discount card to the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an associate discount card because you work for Walmart. How do you actually go ahead and add that to the Walmart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on account on the bottom right hand corner. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on wallet. And then on this page here, you want to scroll all the way down towards the bottom where it says discounts and promotions. So click on the associate discount, and then this is where you're going to be able to enter your associate card number as well as your Walmart identification number. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your associate discount card to the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.